Ladies and gentlemen, this is a report that came out on jdjournal.com, February 1st, 2018. White supremacist Richard Spencer can't find a lawyer for Charlottesville case. So, right now, there are no attorneys that are willing to take Richard Spencer's case in Charlottesville. Richard Spencer said that he can't find a lawyer to help him fight a federal lawsuit that claims he was responsible for the deadly Unite the Right rally in Charlottesville, Virginia last August. According to CNN, the neo Nazi leader filed a motion on Tuesday to dismiss the case, and it was written and signed by himself. Spencer and other leaders of the alt right were sued for the death of counter protester Heather Heyer and the injuries of many others. In his motion, Spencer said he was not responsible for the violence. Instead, anti fascists, also known as Antifa, and police were to blame. Spencer, 39, acknowledged that his white nationalist beliefs were controversial, but he said that he had the right to free speech. Isn't that something? Don't we have the right of free speech on YouTube? But the black channels always are the ones getting attacked. I guess it's freedom of speech for thee and not me, right? Harsh and bold words, as well as scuffles, are simply a reality of political protests, which are, by their very nature, contentious and controversial, Spencer said in a motion. Free societies, not only in the United States but around the world, accept this as a cost of free assembly and maintaining a vibrant political culture. Spencer said that he was forced to represent himself because no lawyer in Virginia would take his case. Spencer, in contrast, has searched for legal help and has not been able to find a lawyer in Virginia to take his case because they don't want their reputation tarnished by representing somebody like Spencer. That's what it is, despite the supposed, but apparently, let me see. I guess because he's not that big of a popular person, these lawyers are not going to put their face out front for somebody like Richard Spencer. I mean, I can see why that happened. And plus, during that riot, somebody lost their life. Nobody wants to be attached to that. In October, plaintiff filed a lawsuit to bar Spencer and other white nationalists from staging more events in Charlottesville. The plaintiff said those rallies called their lives to be ruptured in this horribly dramatic and gruesome way. The plaintiffs are represented by attorneys Roberta Kaplan and Karen Dunn. In his motion to dismiss, Spencer said that the plaintiffs were trying to silence free speech and damage controversial figures. He cited his lack of legal representation and said this violated the Sixth Amendment, which CNN says guarantees a criminal defendant the right to be an attorney, not a civil one. Spencer added that his free speech is protected by the First Amendment and that he was a speaker at Unite the Right, not an organizer. Spencer was not the only defendant who could not find representation, according to Southern Poverty Law Center. Um, and the Fraternity Order of Police, Alt Knight, also could not find lawyers. So apparently, not only him, but others involved in this whole thing Lawyers in Virginia are not coming forward to represent them. And that should be a clear sign. They don't want these groups there. Anytime you have several people that need lawyers and they can't even get one in that state, that says a lot. Please tell me what you think, ladies and gentlemen. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell twice and join me over on blackspot.com and Black Junction TV. Peace, family.